how to get to your first 500 instant daily commissions with ClickBank affiliate marketing in 2025 before New Year. Now, as you watch this video, the most important things when it comes to ClickBank affiliate marketing is to understand that things have changed. Now, if you want to have results, you have to have someone who can actually help you one-on-one, step-by-step along the way. Why? Because as you know, the markets are changing. When it comes to different programs online, the most important thing to understand is that you need to have someone who can show you the exact structure of ads, psychology of ads, and also the right methodology of how to actually structure the ad campaigns. You can actually start having real final results, meaning 150, 350, 550, and so on and so forth dollars every single day with ClickBank affiliate marketing without showing your face, without making any videos. Okay, because with Google pay-per-click ads, if you watch any of my YouTube videos, you will see and realize how quickly you can start having results once you have someone who can give you the proven offer on ClickBank that's proven to convert, the proven ad structure of ad campaigns on Google. Very important thing. Why? Because when you're running Google pay-per-click ads, it's all about buyers' clicks. And the secret word is buyer's intent. You need to have intent. You see lots of ClickBank newbies buying $3,000, $5,000 courses. They never realize. And again, it's not your fault. If you have tried that and failed, it's not your fault. Why? Because many gurus are not sharing exact secrets that actually move the needle into the right direction to start having results. For example, have you ever heard that there is psychology of ads? There are low emotional states, high emotional states audiences, male audiences, and female audiences. So the language patterns in your copywriting, in your ad copy, structure of colors of ads and everything else have to be different. And maybe that's why you haven't been able to get results before. But now, as you watch this video, listening to my voice, you will quickly begin to realize, heck, I can start having results as soon as I have someone who can help me one-on-one, step-by-step. Now, all you have to do is connect with someone who can help you one-on-one, give you the proven ad campaigns. You can duplicate it and install it before Christmas, okay, or before New Year. Now, you can get it with a special bonus. As you watch this video, there is my Instagram link below this video, in the description below. There is my WhatsApp number, yes, my personal cell phone number. There's my email and Facebook Messenger, all in the description under this video. But only reach out to me if you're really serious. If you really want to have results in 2025, going into 2026, and actually start converting so that you can have this free lifestyle. Maybe you can spend 20 to 30 minutes per day doing this, spend your time with family, afford extra gifts, extra things for your family. I don't know whatever that is or whatever that means for you. I don't know. You know. All right. So yes, look, let me know if you're serious, if you're action taker, if you're not excuse maker, if you're not procrastinator, because serious and smart affiliates are profiting left and right now, before Christmas, before New Year. Okay. Because yes, you can start in January. Yes, you can do that. You can do this. But as you know, smart people are taking action first because they know this is the buying season. Info products, digital products are really very high right now in this season. Okay, Christmas, New Year. So if you're smart, and I know you are, as you watch this video, take action. Let me know after watching this video in the description below. There are my links where you can connect with me one-on-one.